Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Now, today we have some interesting news about the people who use guest internet products. As you're probably familiar, people use guest internet products to share and even sell an internet service in a community, connecting the guest internet to an ISP, maybe fiber or satellite or something like that. Now, one of the countries where we have a lot of customers is in Papua New Guinea. So people are using the guest internet equipment to provide the internet service for a community. And the people there, our customers, are very excited because Papua New Guinea has just approved the Starlink antenna, this thing here. So now they're able to get a much better internet service anywhere in the country. So they can set up an internet service for many more rural communities. Now, the guest internet products are geared exactly to help you provide internet for rural communities. They have a lot of features which share the internet service, so you can connect more people to a Starlink antenna because it shares out the speed, shares out the data. It stops any type of abuse that people might want to, download copyrighted materials. That's all blocked. And the most important thing is that Starlink has a cost, and so you have to be able to recover the cost from the community members. And you can do this by printing and selling vouchers like this. The guest internet product can print a sheet of vouchers like that, and so these you can chop them up and then sell them to customers. You can set up an online type of billing service using one of the payment systems. And the important thing is that by sharing the service, the cost per user becomes very, very low. In fact, it's maybe 1 or 2 cents an hour per user because the service is sold what we call on demand. That means people are not connected full time to this. They buy a voucher that's valid for maybe 1 hour, 4 hours, one day. And so different people are using the internet at different times. And so it becomes very easy to connect more people, which means that the cost per person is a lot lower. So a community of 500 people, for example, can get a very low cost internet service using a Starlink antenna. And because it's affordable, more people can use it. Very few people can afford their own Starlink antenna, but a community with a Starlink antenna can afford to provide internet for everyone. Okay? If you want more information, please contact us. We have a lot of data sheets, a lot of technical guides that will help you out, even free books. So contact us and we'll be very happy to send you more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.